guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply dual factor authentication on your X or formerly Twitter account. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now and see my Twitter account here. Make sure you follow it. Okay, so on your Twitter account at the bottom you see you have settings and privacy. Tap on it. Okay, here you have like security and account access. Tap on it. Once you come here, see the first option, security, manage your account security. This is very important, and having dual factor authentication means like that you have additional layer of protection, because nowadays hackers have become clever and they come up with new and innovative ways. So two factor authentication means like your password is just not enough. Okay, there's another layer of protection like a pass key, like a code on an authenticator app, or a text based one time password. So that means just hacking your password isn't enough for someone to get into your account, and it may protect you a lot. All right, so when you go to security, you see the first option is two factor authentication, where they have clearly described what does it mean and all. So tap on two factor authentication. Now you come to this page where you see three options. One is text message, where you get an authentication code on your registered phone number, so that as I said, it is safer. Second is using an authentication app. So when you register an authentication app with your account, so that as I said, they have to put a code. Okay. Third is security key. So the first option, which most of us probably would like to go, text message, it's for premium. Okay, premium customers. So unfortunately, as of now, I don't have resources to become like, but yes, in future, maybe if you guys keep supporting me, I will be in a position, and hopefully that day comes sooner than later. But as of now, I have no clue when it will be. So go for this authentication app. Okay, so as you see, links an authentication app to your X account. So when you tap on get started, it will look for an app that you have installed. So I have authenticator apps installed, Microsoft Authenticator I have. So it gives me the option to add that account into that app. I added that. Unfortunately, I could not take screenshots of it, because next is going to ask for the pass. Yeah, you see Authenticator, the second one that I used. Okay, next I did I had to go for so after I tapped here, I had to go for entering the password once more, and then I had to enter I had to enter the password, and then it opened the app where my account got linked to the app. And now whenever I try to log in, I have to enter my password, and then I have to go to the app, get the code. It's a 6-digit code, and I have to put in every time when I try to log in. So in this way, my account is going to be protected. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. And please follow the Twitter account